One of the things we're always thinking about on the homestead is passing the homestead and the different parts of the homesteading journey on to the next generation and how we do that. So I'm super excited to introduce you guys to two of our daughters who have something really, really exciting coming up here for Homesteading Family. It's kind of the next iteration of Homesteading Family. They're gonna start filming YouTube videos for Homesteading Family. Yay! Let me introduce you to them. First up is our on-screen talent, Abigail Thomas. She's 14 years old and 5th in the Thomas birth order. Her homestead skills include cooking, baking, gardening, and just about anything having to do with animals, but her homestead love is her Nubian milk goats. Her video superpower is clear, step-by-step demonstrations. Next up, behind the camera, is Brianna Thomas. She's 16 years old and number 4 in the Thomas birth order. Her homesteading skills include making amazing dinners. She loves dog training, making herbal remedies, and just about everything else around the homestead. But her true homestead love is milking June, our Jersey milk cow. Her video superpower is all things filming, editing, and really any other visual art. So Abigail, I'm really excited that you and Brianna are doing this, but I'd love to hear from you. Why are you wanting to start filming videos for Homesteading Family?
I think it's a really great experience to be able to help people in this kind of way. I love being able to interact and help people.
I am really excited about the opportunity to get to work with a camera and get to work with people. It will really expound my experience on filming, which I have a passion for. I love working with cameras, and my experience with people, which is something I'm not so good at and I could use. So I'm excited to get to teach while learning.
Wow, that's great. What do you hope to get out of it aside from that?
To develop my skill with the camera, that's something I'm really looking forward to, and then editing as well. There's a lot to it, and I've got a lot to learn.
The experience of teaching is a lot of fun to me, and I think it's really cool that I'm going to get practice teaching to people.
What type of videos, what kind of things do you plan on filming and teaching in your videos?
So I'll be teaching things like just different how-tos on the homestead, maybe in the kitchen or outside. Just a lot of fun things like that.
Do you have hopes to do other types of videos, or are there other types that you'd be interested in?
I really like working with animals, and I've thought about some things like documentaries, but I haven't gotten that far yet, so
Okay.
and now we're working on this.
Good. Well, we'll see what you guys can do.
Okay.
Hey, if you're interested in supporting Brianna and Abigail's journey into making videos, here's a few things that you can do to actually help them out. One, whenever they have a video come out, if you can jump in and watch it all the way to the end, that really tells the algorithm to keep showing that video to more and more people. Likewise, if you hit a thumbs up on it, and even more than that, if you just comment on there, that would be really, really helpful to help them grow their video confidence. Now, while you're leaving that comment, if you want to give them some encouragement, some thumbs up, tell them they're doing a great job, that always helps out. Thank you guys so much for always supporting us. We really appreciate it, and we're looking forward to what's coming up here in the future.